Hello and welcome to this unboxing video of the RS-3000, Opticon's latest scanner. My name is Jurgen. I'm one of the software developers here at Opticon, and my colleagues from the hardware department are proud to present to you the RS-3000. So, when you order the RS-3000, you get this neat little box, so let's take a look at what's inside. When you open it up, you'll first get the Quickstart guide. In a other video, check the link in the description for it, we will actually walk through this quick start guide. And let's unbox the main event. This is the RS-3000 scanner. The scan module is here at the front. The scan button is the big blue button at the top. A function button. And at the back of the unit, we have a USB-C port, which can be used either for charging or for data transmission if you're not using the built-in Bluetooth. Another component is what makes it a ring scanner, a mount that goes on your hand. And lastly, a USB-C to USB-A cable. You can plug the A side into a charger or into a computer. And the C port can be used on the scanner itself, either for charging or for data transmission. And that is all you receive with the RS-3000 scanner. If you take a look in the video description, you will get links on how to get started with the unit and links to videos in our playlist where we show you how to use the RS-3000. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.